Hey guys, do y'all remember that old commercial that used to come on around Christmas time about the Lightkeeper Pro and how it magically made light strands start working that were not? Well, come on, we're going to conduct an experiment. Come check it out with us. So it's a few weeks now before Christmas, and we were getting in the Christmas spirit, and my wife was decorating, and at our house we do, and I'll swing the camera around, the garland up the stair rails, and lo and behold, we didn't check, and we've got a bunch of strands that are now not working. So what do you say? Let's see if that old Lightkeeper Pro has magic left in it for us. Let's go check it out. Well, okay, this is the kit. Comes with a little instruction manual, and this is the device. It even has little do's and don'ts on the side here. Comes with a little hollow handle, has some spare bulbs in it. It's pretty cool. But the main thing is seeing if we can make this work here. I'm excited to try this and see. So anyway, I'll swing the camera around. We'll plug this in, and what it tells you to do is, as you know, we got a strand that's not working. To pull the trigger up to 30 times, and I think it has 30 different combinations of how it changes the shunt path for the wiring so it can bypass the light that's out. I think that's how it works. Doesn't really say for sure, but I think that's right. So anyway, we're going to give it a try and see. Up to 30 trigger pulls. We'll see how many it'll take. All right, so this is the strand that's out. You can see where the plug-in is. So I removed the light on the first one, and you do it with power on, and so we plug it in and we hold it. The first trigger pull, I can't believe it. Is that hilarious or what? All right, so this is the second strand, and let me pull the bulb out. All right, let's see if this works again. We go in live, 1, 2, and now that one is on. Then plug the bulb back in, and then now that strand is working. Well, that is just absolutely amazing that that does that. Now this only works for incandescent bulbs. You have to get a different kit if it's LEDs. So anyway, boy, that sure beats going through and chasing after bad bulbs. Now this thing, we do have some bulbs out, and this obviously has a tester, but it even comes with some spare bulbs. I might go through and change the few that are out, but at least the main strand now is working. Isn't that cool? Well, I can definitely say to all the guys out there, this is a message from me to you. Go buy one of these, because it always gets put to us to go troubleshoot the lights and get them to work. Man, this thing was less than 20 bucks, and you just saw how fast it took me to fix it. Best 20 bucks I spent. I'm tickled. That was a 5-minute fix. So anyway, I'm really glad. That is so cool. So anyways, you guys can see, we now have lights up on the banister rail, and we are, let me re-say, I am definitely getting in the Christmas spirit now. Boy, that was cool. The Lightkeeper Pro. I can't get over, Beth and I were over at Home Depot, and we just was walking by and saw that, and we remembered that from the old commercials, and we said we'd give it a try. I'm so glad we got that. It is a great little tool to have in your tool bag for around Christmas time. So definitely throw an endorsement out for this product. It was really cool. Saved me a lot of time and aggravation. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a great Christmas. I hope if you get one of these and it fixes your lights, it'll make Christmas a little bit more jolly for you. And for now, that's it for this little episode. And remember, at Project Next, there's always one more. So we'll be back again real soon with another video. And for now, guys, you guys have a great week, and we will talk at you again real soon. Thanks.